Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious little brownies using an easy mix. First, gather your ingredients. 1 box of little brownie mix, 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup of water. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line an 8x8-inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal later. Now, let's get mixing. Empty the entire contents of your little brownie mix into a large bowl. Add the 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir these ingredients together gently with a spoon or spatula until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a less fudgy brownie texture. With your batter ready, pour it evenly into the prepared 8x8-inch baking pan. Spread it gently to ensure a consistent thickness. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for approximately 28 to 32 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter, for that perfect fudgy texture. Once baked, remove the brownies from the oven and let them cool completely in the pan. This is crucial for achieving that ideal fudgy consistency and clean cuts. Once cooled, use the parchment paper overhang to easily lift the entire batch out. Cut your brownies into 16 even squares, and they are ready to be enjoyed. These easy little brownies are perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.